Hi, hello. This is Lokesha.Kellur, Assistant Teacher, Social Science, Talented Girls Residential School, Nanjangud Town, Mysore. Dear students, in this video, again I come with some more important 1 mark questions. So they are helpful to your examination. Let us know about the questions. The first question: name the different types of currencies of different countries in the world. So importance are: in India there is rupee, USA dollar, England pound, and Japan yen, and China yuan. The next question: what is banking? It means accepting for the purpose of lending or investment of deposits of money from the public and repayable on demand. It is called banking. Next question: what is personal finance? It means the management of income and expenditures of an individual. It's called personal finance. Next question: what is public finance? The public finance means income and expenditures of public authorities. Next question: what is budget? It means the statement of estimated income and expenditure of a year is called budget. And who should introduce the financial bill in Lok Sabha? So there is the financial minister. Next one: why the developing countries like India, the government, Indian governments normally prepare deficit budget. So because to achieve economic progress. Go to next question. That is, what is revenue receipt? That means the revenue generated by the government through tax and non-tax sources. Those are called revenue receipt. Next one: what is policy of progressive taxation? It means impose higher rate of taxes on high income group and lower rate of tax on low income groups, and the poor is exempted. So this is called policy of progressive taxation. Next question: what is direct tax? It means the tax is paid by an individual on whom it is imposed. So for example, income tax, wealth tax, and stamp duty. Next question is: what is deficit budget? So it means the expenditure is more than our revenue, is known as deficit budget. Next question: write the formula of calculation of fiscal deficit. That is, the fiscal deficit is equal revenue received plus non-debit capital received minus total expenditures. Next question: when the GST came into exist? You know that is July 1st, 2017. Expand GST. So this also you know that is goods and service tax. Next question: which are the two types of taxes? Those are direct tax and indirect tax. Go to next question. That is, what is fiscal policy? Fiscal policy means the policy of government activities of mobilizing revenue, generating expenditure, and raising loans is called fiscal policy. Next question: when the financial year start in India? So the financial year start from April 1st and end in 31st March. Next question: what is tax? Tax means the compulsory payment by citizens to government without expecting any direct benefits in return. That is tax. Next question: what is non-tax revenue? It means the government gets revenue from other sources apart from the tax, is known as non-tax revenue. Next question: when does India pass Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act? So the act introduced in 2003. Next question: what is disinvestment? That means government withdraw its investment from its own industry is considered as disinvestment. Next question: why central government introduced GST? Because government introduced GST in 2017 July 1st to instead of all indirect taxes. Next question. Why the high amount of deficit is not good for the country? Because it creates uncontrolled deficit, financial indiscipline, and increased inflation. Next question. What is public expenditure? The expenditures of the government is known as public expenditures. Next question. What is bank transaction? That means any sort of activity involving in money or exchange of money in an account is called bank transaction. Next question. Which bank is called Bankers Bank or Mother Bank? That is Reserve Bank of India. Next question. Why do you call Reserve Bank is called Bankers Bank? Because all the banking transactions in India are controlled by the Reserve Bank of India, so it's called Bankers Bank. Next, what is the recent development in banking? So there is Postal Bank of India. Next question. Which organization issue National Savings Certificate and Kisan Vikas Patra? So there is Post Office. Next question. Which account is opened by students, employees and senior citizens? So there is Saving Bank account. Next question. We know that in which account does number of transactions can be made? There is current account. The next question. Which accounts are generally opened by a person for purpose to be saved for a future date? That is recurring deposit account. Next question. In which type of account the deposit amount cannot be withdrawn before the expire of term? That is term or fixed deposit account. Next question. In which type of account the holder himself pay the service charge? That is current account. Next question. Who is called an innovator of new ideas in business? So that is entrepreneur. Next question. What is an entrepreneurship? That means it is a process of an action of an entrepreneur who undertakes to establish his enterprise. Next question. Who is an entrepreneur? That is an innovator of new ideas in business is known as entrepreneur. Next question. That is who established Apollo hospitals? That is Dr. Pratap Reddy. Next question. Who is the founder of Infosys Technology Limited? So you know that there is Narayan Murthy. Next question. Who is the father of White Revolution? So that is Varghese Kurian. Next question. Who established the Reliance Company? So you know that is Dhirubhai Ambani. Next question. Which institution is the largest research and development provider and who is the founder? So there is Wipro Technologies. Its founder is Azim Premji. Next question. Who is known as the queen of Indian television sector? So here you know that there is Ekta Kapoor. Next question. Who is the chairman of managing director of Biocon Limited? So there is another lady, Kiran Mazumdar Shah. Next question. Who was awarded the best entrepreneur of 2001? So there is Ekta Kapoor. So dear students, in this video, so helpful to your examination. So important questions, definitely they all comes to your exam. Thank you very much and keep watch and wait to watch my next video. I come with very soon. Thank you.